guys, it's Miss Benson. Hope you're okay, keeping safe. Got a little experiment that you may enjoy, and it's super easy to make. It's a lava lamp. See how pretty that is? And we're gonna make it right now, okay? So all you need is a glass, some oil and some water, and a bit of colouring, just to put in it, like food colouring. I'm actually using Crazy Hair colour, but same thing, it will work. So don't worry, just find any colouring. Okay, so we're going to start off with the oil. So pour that in. And then we're going to add some water. And as you can see, it's completely separated. The water's at the bottom and the oil is on top. So that's really cool. Okay, the next thing, just get your colour in and put a little bit in. And it should start. See that? How pretty that is. And you can even put it in a plastic bottle. You can put it in anything really. But I was just putting it in this glass to show you how pretty it is. And it will look something like this at the end. Okay, miss you all. Hope you're okay. I hope you enjoyed it.